Alright guys, thank you very much guys. Once again tuko hapa. Niliwaambia episodes zitakuwa zimejaa news kibao. So thank you very much guys, and if you are new here, continue subscribing, continue doing all necessary to support this channel. Sindio au sio? Okay guys, today and first of all, sijui ni wa congratulate watu wa TZ ama ni wapee which kind of news, because first of all let me correct the president of Tanzania, Samia Suluhu. Sisi si watukutu venye alikuwa ametuita hivyo. We are just like citizens, like Tanzanian citizens, and what we are only doing huku Kenya different with those the citizens of Tanzania is that we are fighting for democracy, we are fighting for our rights. What we only need is our rights to be respected, and what the government promised to be delivered. That's the only thing we are fighting of. Hiyo isitoshe tuitwe watukutu. In fact sisi ndio wazuri kushinda hata citizens wengine. So Samia Suluhu, we should withdraw from that, we should withdraw that statement. Okay? And anafaa tuombe msamaha. And by the way, from the statement alisema jana, I think by now ameanza kuona consequences of messing up with the Kenyan citizens. It's high time watu wakitoka nchi ngeni wakikuja huko inafaa wakaribishwe. Sasa mbona wafukuzwe? Mbona mnatufukuza? Na sisi mkikujanga huku huwa tunawakaribisha, why? Or even you, ama pia yeye ako kwa broad based. Ama ako kwa broad based government. So Samia Suluhu should ask for forgiveness from Kenyans. Yeah, that's all. Because Kenyans can do whatever it takes to make you feel sad, or to make you to be seen like a small thing, a tiny thing. So we are not those people Samia Suluhu try to describe. We are just citizens like Tanzania, but ours is much different, because the only thing we do, we fight for democracy, we fight for our rights. We only want good things for us, because we are the ones who pay the taxes. So we should not be taxed, and nothing good will be done to us. So that is the reason why we are only fighting for our rights. So Samia Suluhu should respect us venye tumekuwa tukiwa respect, and anafaa kulearn welcome all visitors. Yeah, Martha Karua cannot come from all the way from Kenya to plan hizo vitu alikuwa anafikiria huko Tanzania. She had nothing to do with those people. The only thing she was doing is to alienda huko kama lawyer to help that person called Tudu. We should not be underrated venye tumeanza kuandaretiwa hivyo, ati sisi ni wasijiwa, ati sisi ni wanani. Oh, no. Sisi si kama hao. Kenya should not be underrated. Tuwekwe kwa hiyo category yenye anatuita nayo. No, it's high time atupe respect, ndio pia yeye apate respect. ikiendelea. Watch and see what will happen. Watch and see. Gen Z will take over Tanzania akiendelea hivyo. By the look of things, simana today's news, police force account ya TZ was hacked. Was hacked. And it's automatically by the people who we messed with. They call them such kind of names. Those are the people who are trying to do whatever it takes to show him that if he continues with that kind of behavior, that kind of underration, those are the kind of consequences atakuwa naona. So it's high time, ask for forgiveness, and if you ask for forgiveness, automatically you'll be forgiven. So Samia Suluhu, Kenyans do not have any beef with you. The only thing we are fighting for is democracy. Okay? Loud and clear? Okay, thank you very much, guys. And if you are new to this channel, continue subscribing. Remember, before you do anything, turn your notification on so that whenever we upload any video, you'll be the first. You'll be the first to enjoy it. Okay? Thank you very much.